Hello dear students, here is answer of today's 9th standard Dr. Homi Bhabha Young Scientist exam. Question number 1. Question number 1 C. Question number 2 B. Question number 3 C. Question number 4 C. Question number 5 B. Question number 6 B. Question number 7th A. Question number 8 A. Question number 9 D. Question number 10 B. Question number 11 C. Question number 12 B. Question number 13 D. Question number 14 D. Question number 15 A. Question number 16 C. Question number 17 B. Question number 18 A. Question number 19 C. Question number 20 B. Question number 21 A. Question number 22 C. Question number 23 A. Question number 24 B. Question number 25 A. Question number 26 B. Question number 27 A. Question number 28 C. Question number 29 C. Question number 30 A. Question number 31 A. Question number 32 C. Question number 33 D. Question number 34 C. Question number 35 D. Question number 36 C. Question number 37 D. Question number 38 B. Question number 39 A. Question number 40 B. Question number 41 A. Question number 42 C. Question number 43 B. Question number 44 D. Question number 45 D. Question number 46 D. Question number 47 C. Question number 48 B. Question number 49 B. Question number 50 D. Question number 51 B. Question number 52 A. Question number 53 D. Question number 54 D. Question number 55 C. Question number 56 C. Question number 57 D. Question number 58 B. Question number 58 C. Question number 59 C. 60 C. 61 C. Question number 62 D. 63 C. Question number 64 D. Question number 65 B. Question number 66 A. Question number 67 A. Question number 68 B. Question number 69 B. Question number 70 B. Question number 71 B. Question number 72 B. Question number 73 B. Question number 74 D. Question number 75 C. Question number 76 C. Question number 77 B. Question number 78. A. Question number 79. D. Question number 80. D. Question number 81. D. Question number 82. C. Question number 83. B. Question number 84. D. Question number 85. C. Question number 86. A. Question number 87. D. Question number 88. A. Question number 89. D. Question number 90. D. Question number 91. A. Question number 92. B. Question number 93. B. Question number 94. C. Question number 95. B. Question number 96. B. Question number 97. A. Question number 98. C. Question number 99. A. Question number 100. A.